Hi, I'm Matthew Previte. I'm a licensed CPA here in the state of Massachusetts. My firm represents taxpayers before the IRS and state taxing authorities. I've been in the tax field about 27 years, and almost the last 17 years I've been representing taxpayers exclusively before the IRS and the state taxing authorities. I'm here today to answer some of the top questions that we get from prospects about IRS and state tax problems. The most common questions that I get asked is, how long can the IRS or the state pursue me? How long can they chase me for my tax debt? And the general answer is 10 years. The IRS has a 10-year collection statute, and the state of Massachusetts has a 10-year statute. Every state's different, but the vast majority of states in the country have a collection statute. Interestingly enough, until recently, California didn't have a collection statute, and because they had so much debt on the books, they finally decided to institute a 20-year collection statute. So you'll have to check and figure that out, but the vast majority have a collection statute. What does that mean in terms of resolving your problem? Well, it means that one of your potential options may be that if you're nearing the end of the collection statute, doing nothing and letting it run out. And if it runs out and the IRS or the state doesn't file a lawsuit, then you win. It gets zeroed out and you're done. If the IRS or the state files a lawsuit on or before the last day of the collection statute and then later gets a judgment against you, a civil judgment, then they have 20 years like any other creditor, and so they can actually extend the time to pursue you. Here's the good news, though. It's extremely rare that people are ever brought into that they're sued in court, and I can tell you in my 24 plus years of being on my own in my own practice, 2 people that have been sued and the tax has been reduced to judgment. So it's very, very rare. So keep that in mind. Collection statute can potentially resolve the problem. However, most people aren't going to want to wait 10 years and dodge the bullet and live underground and get paid cash and move around the country and do all these oddball things to try to run the 10-year statute out. So there are other solutions, but sometimes that is a solution if somebody has run out 7, 8, 9 years of the statute, is to do certain legal things to run the rest of the statute out. If you have any specific or detailed questions about your particular tax situation, please call my office at 508-655-1500 or visit our website at taxproblemsrs.com.